everyone. Welcome to Egg. Okay. So yeah. So that's what is
rob a bank?
Stupid intro. That took too many seconds. Basically, John and I just went to go get cannoli. I guess this video I wanted to show that America is still the best freaking country in the world, because if you want cannoli at 9:31 at night, just
that clock's like 5 minutes ahead.
Oh, I don't do math, but 9 at night, you just get out of your house and go get cannoli, dude. Just do it. So yeah, we're gonna go on another adventure. Is Buffalo Wild Wings open? It's just like a short little vlog or a go sign right there. Stop for the go sign. Let's go to BJ's. Let's see what we can find in BJ's. We can just buy a TV from BJ's. We're not gonna do that.
Just go that way. No. Wait, how many times do you want to go around the roundabout? I saw a show where they went around it like, I don't know. Here we go round the roundabout, the roundabout, the roundabout. Oh, look at that guy. He's gonna hit us. Here we go round the roundabout. Okay. We're at like 3. Ah, shoot. He's coming. Alright, so we made it 3 times. We going again. Yikes. Bet. I don't know when BJ's closes. Oh, do we have to have like a membership card? Like, we snuck in last time. But we were behind something. But wait, I don't know. Let's see what happens.
Another thing, kind of found the Santa hat on the ground. I didn't smell any head lice, but oh, maybe there is head lice. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, everyone. The cannoli seems to have gone straight through me. But I'll be okay. Oh, my mom needs a new desk chair, dude. Imagine. Wait, oh, John, you know what they sell here?
What?
Mini fridges. Could you imagine?
I found one.
That's a safe.
It's a mini fridge. Hey, I could almost fit in here.
Oh, guys, I seriously have to poop. Oh gosh. Whoa. John? What the heck? What the heck?
Hello there, I am the toilet merchant. Can I get you anything?
Butt paper.
As you can see, we have a lovely stock of it right here.
Oh. Cool. How much is it?
$23.
Oh, cool. That seems reasonable. Per roll?
No, for the whole pack.
For the whole thing, $23. Dude, that's a steal. Dude. Wow. America's great, dude. You need butt paper? You need butt paper, like right here. Like it's... And they even have butt paper merchants. Like, that's amazing. Thank you, butt paper merchant. Huh?
You are welcome, fine sir. I shall now retreat to my heaven.
Oh. Okay then. All right.
Attention BJ's members, your health and well-being is important to us.
Oh.
While at the club, please maintain safe social distancing by keeping a 6-foot space between
I want a mini
yourself
fridge.
and other-
All right, y'all. It's official. Thank you. It's official. To all my YouTuber fans, whatever. Yeah. Let's go BJ's. Okay. So, we got it. Get off your phone. Oh, his talkie-walkie's in his butt. So, dude, that smells really good. What is that?
It's the hand sanitizer.
Okay, so we're gonna head back to my place. We're gonna set this up in my room. We'll show you
that
the...
poor guy. It's cool if he'll help him.
Oh, hey, should we help him?
It's just like 3 bottles of water.
Oh.
He's good. If it was anything else, then I would.
Yeah, okay. Well, cool. All right, how many times are we going around and roundabout?
Yeah, yield to nobody. Oh, these butt cheeks are coming. Oh, maybe not. Alright, see, I don't think we can beat our record of 3. Okay. I wonder if there's like an entry in the Guinness Book of World Records. Let's go! Okay, that's one. Okay, that's 2. This is great. Oh, this feels nice too.
I'm getting this.
Wait, is that 4?
This is 4.
Okay. Alright, next time we come, we'll get 5. So, y'all, in conclusion.
If you want anything, you know, I know things have been kind of strange these past weeks, you know. We don't know who's president, we don't know who's on our side, we don't know who's on whoever's side. But bottom line is, I went and I did all this crap for many reasons, but a big one was to just kind of show y'all that America is still the best, all right? Go out, get your cannoli, go for an adventure, be free, wear a Santa hat with headlights in it, do whatever you gotta do to be free, and keep fighting for your freedom. Like, don't be afraid to, don't be afraid. And, you know, I don't necessarily agree with some people, but hey, you have freedom of speech and you are legally allowed to express your freedom within the law, and I say go for it. If you are, let's say if you're Black Lives Matter, let's say if you're pro-life, let's just contrast those two. If you are one of those people, I applaud you for being an American and going out there and speaking what you believe in, right? Go for that. But when it gets too violent, that's a bit confusing. And what happened in the Capitol, you know, that wasn't good. It was said that Antifa, it was known actually that Antifa was the one that breached the Capitol. But hey, we're still the best country. Never ever forget that. Never forget the people who died for this country. All right, we threw them away. All right, we don't like our veterans anymore. Just take a step back. Go out and buy a mini fridge. Put a bunch of beer in it. We're not gonna put beer in it. Just gotta say that for YouTube. Just have fun. Johannes, anything to say?
I took a wrong turn.
Oh, he took a wrong turn. That's okay, you're free to do that. You are free to take a wrong turn. And you know what? Sometimes wrong turns lead you in a cool path. So, I hope he knows where he's going.
Me too.
Okay. Excuse my filth, but here is the mini fridge. Look at this. Man. Look at that. And then it's got a cool little light and it's cold too. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so we got some cranberry ginger ales. I don't know, do you know where they sell Sprite cranberries? Bobby's been wondering. I don't even know. Like blackberry, regular. They got some H2O too, there too. Yeah, so there's the mini fridge. It was nice to carry upstairs, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video because it was a lot of fun to film. Thanks, y'all.